Standard time. The local time of a place which is situated in the middle of the country is taken as the standard time of the country. This means that time is fixed on the basis of a particular longitude in a country, which is known as standard time. The standard time of our country is decided on the basis of 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This means that if it is 12 noon in Allahabad, it is 12 noon everywhere in the country. This makes it convenient for the smooth administration of the country. Students, the local time of an important town on the longitude passing almost through the central place is considered to be the main time for national convenience is called standard time. The standard time of India is calculated from the 82.5 degree east longitude which passes nearby Allahabad. When it is 12 at noon at Allahabad, it is considered to be 12 noon for the entire nation. Activity. You will find the standard time of different countries and main cities in a smartphone. With the help of a globe, find out the major cities of different countries and note down their standard time using the phone. Also mention whether the country is ahead or behind in time India. Students, let's solve this table. I'll take the name of the city first and then country and whether it is ahead or behind later. Tokyo, Japan, ahead. New York in USA, behind. Cairo in Egypt, behind. Rangoon in Myanmar, ahead. Beijing in China, ahead. Paris in France, ahead. Manila in Philippines, ahead. Toronto in Canada, behind. Melbourne in Australia, ahead. Quito on Ecuador, behind. Cape Town in South Africa, behind. London in UK, behind. Things to know. The longitudes to the east of the Greenwich line are denoted by the letter E, while those situated to the west are denoted by the letter W. The international date line is also called IDL in short. If a country extends to a great extent eastwards and westwards, then it may have more than one standard time. The latitudes to the north of the equator are denoted by the letter N, while those situated to the south are denoted by the letter S. The actual distance between two latitudes is 111 km. So students, here we end our chapter 5, Location and Time. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.